Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time it's going to be a disassembly video. So basically, I'm going to disassemble the DJI Mobile Gimbal 2. So this is the second version of the mobile gimbal. The first version was metal. The second version is completely plastic. That's why it's cheaper. It's for 10,000 rupees in India. So I didn't want to do this, but unfortunately DJI doesn't have warranty support or service center in India. You have third-party people who you can take the gimbal to. They can fix it for you, but you will have to pay for it anyways. So eventually I really don't want to spend that much of money on the gimbal anymore. I'll just buy another one, a better company which has maybe support in India, instead of buying something which has no warranty or no support in India. So anyways, I tried searching for videos online to see how to open it up, but there were no videos for the mobile gimbal 2. The one, there are videos, but 2 you don't have videos. And the build has been changed. It's not the same as the previous one. The previous one had screws on top, basically where the head is. You actually open it from there and then open the screws and go down, but this one doesn't have anything of that sort. So we'll go ahead and look at that. So I'll disassemble the entire device and show you what all can you find in it, where the battery is, where the circuit is, and how to open it up. But one thing, fair warning right now: once you open it up, the warranty is gone. And if you think that you'll open it up, put it back again, and send it for warranty, no, that will not happen, because when you try to open it up, it will leave marks. This is made in such a way that if it's opened once, you will see all the marks on the sides, because there are no screws to open it up. It's basically clamps. So okay, go ahead and see the video. Let's see how it's done. basically, now that you've seen it from inside, you know how much of things are missing. Now, if you look at the previous one, the first model, then you will see actual quality, actual things. There were minute details that were taken care of. This one is like one of those Chinese devices where they just put wires together and then just fix everything and then just put it and then leave it. Now, they made it so hard to even open the device that once you open it up, it'll never be the same because the sides will have the mark of opening up the device. So yes, you do get uh, plastic opening tools, but with this it'll be difficult for even those tools to go in. But anyways, now you know how to open it up. If you want to take the risk of opening it, go ahead, but your warranty will be void. So not very happy with DJI right now, even though the gimbal was good, it was performing well. So I'll do my final review, the complete review. Now my next video would be the full review of the DJI gimbal. The only problem is I won't be able to hold one and do it in front of you. I'll just have to use all my older clips. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.